Good morning, students. So today in your English class, we are going to do the topic of I sound words and its exercises. So open your literacy skills book and come to page number 156. We'll be writing here the date, that is 18.11.2020. This is the exercise of matching. Match the picture with the word. Now children, we are going to read the word and then we are going to join. B-I-N, bin. B-I-N, bin. Now where is the bin? Yellow one. Yes, so we are going to match it. Then D-I-G, dig. Dig means khodna. So where you can see a person digging, you will join from the dot to the figure. Okay. Then D-I-P, dip. D-I-P, dip. So where can you see the action of dipping? Dipping means dubana. Here you can see that the hand is dipping the biscuit in tea or milk, you can say. Then F-I-G, fig. Where is the fruit fig? Here it is, so we will be joining it. Then J-I-G, jig. You can see that this girl is jigging, so we'll join it here. K-I-D, kid. Where is the kid? The hair, so again we'll join it, kid hair. Okay. Then L-I-D, lid. Where is the lid? Lid is the upper part of a box. You can see this red arrow is showing the lid. Okay. L-I-P, lip. L-I-P, lip. Where are the lip? Here it is. When one is there, it is called lip. When two are there, they are called lips. So the arrow is showing only one lip. Okay. P-I-G, pig. Where is the pig? We'll join it. P-I-N, pin. Here it is the pin. S-I-P, sip. S-I-P, sip. You can see that this boy is sipping water from the glass. Okay. S-I-T, sit. Where can you see sitting? Oh, this girl is sitting, so we are going to join it with sit, and here we will join with kid. Okay, I am going to rub it in front of you. See, I have rubbed it. Children, in kid, it can be a boy or a girl. That's why I matched it there. But kid will be matched here and sit will be matched here. Okay. Then T-I-N, tin. Tin you can see here. So we are going to join it. Okay. Now this was the exercise of your matching. Read and match carefully. Okay. Now on this page, this one was your classwork. On this page write down H.W. on page number 157. Read it and fill in the missing letter. Okay. Same on 158, it is also your homework. You can write the date as well. That is 18.11.2020. Here are the words given, but you will try not to see it and write the words on your own. First is hit, because this hammer is hitting. Then this is fig, pig, sit, bib and tin. Okay, complete it at your homework. Now we are going to do page number 159 in our classwork. So we will again write down the date and C.W. Children, these are rhyming words. Rhyming words concept I have already told you. Those two words or more than two words which have almost similar sounds, like h, it, hit, eat, sit, hit, sit, hit, sit. They are rhyming. Okay, because the end sound of these words are similar. Now, children, which is this word? Kid. Now, kid is rhyming with lid. Lid. Remember, children, we have learnt to write in small cursive letters. So, we will write like this, not like the printed ones. Now, it is lip. Now, lip is rhyming with, you can see, what is the boy doing? Sip. He is sipping. So, we will write sip. Lip, sip. 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 Then, pin. This pin is rhyming with, what is this? Bin. So, we are going to write bin. Bin. Then, pig. Pig is rhyming with fig. 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 Okay. So, children, complete it at your home. Bye-bye. Take care.